turns a tide. And there are times when one has to make consequences. We have a situation.
Indeed. There's a good puss. There's a good puss. There's a good pussy. Who's a good pussy?
I'm impressed.
Who's a good pussy?
Phil, we never let strangers pick him up.
Oh, I'm very much at one with the animal kingdom. Meow. There's a good pussy. I know, I know. Who's lovely? Who's lovely? Who? We're all lovely.
Kate Sumner, our behavioral psychologist.
I've heard a great deal about you.
Glowing reports.